Hello, I'm Sam Nyarko-Mensah, and welcome to my screencast walkthrough of PAP 201 Marketing Your Book Through Design. This is a 10-week online course I developed for second year undergraduate students in the Department of Publishing Studies at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. For the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the course structure in Google Classroom and explain key decisions I made during development. Let's get started. So this is a course that emerged from a workshop I presented some years ago, and the idea came through strongly that students need this kind of course to make them competitive in the market, looking at Ghana's publishing industry. All right, so this course it's a 10 weeks course and it has 5 modules. So this is the opening page. So I go to my classwork, which has 5 different modules here. Module 5, and we have module 4, 3, 2, and 1. My course syllabus is also here. Once I click on it, it opens up my course module and the course syllabus. The syllabus has its detail in Google Docs. I intentionally put all the information on Google Docs for the students at the undergrad level to be abreast with Google use of Google Docs for them to move into online learning. So once I click on it, it opens. Yeah, so this is my syllabus, which has all the details and it has 9 learning objectives that help students analyze, apply, and create digital solutions that enhance book marketability. Students will develop practical skills in cover design, the typography, interior layout, and professional portfolio development through this. So I provide required materials and then I provide software, also the industry standard software, which is the Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator InDesign, and the CorelDRAW graphics suite. However, I also suggested some free software for them to try, even though for professional book development, we will not uh, want to go so much into these other softwares, but it makes it open for students to also explore. So it has all the various modules, and I have my instruction videos, which I created from YouTube, and they all have their links here, which students will be able to click on and then navigate to the various classes. So this is a master class of book marketing plan that actually sells book. So in all the instructions you have this. So this is a walkthrough of the syllabus, which is very detailed enough with all information and then with other resources students could also benefit from. So I go back to my work in my Google Classroom. So module 1 has the the module information on the Google Docs, yeah, where students will be able to view all the details. And each module has an assignment and a discussion prompt. So module 1 has 2 assignments that they could choose one and then do. But I really like the discussion prompts also. So this discussion is, does marketing matter to books? Share your perspective with examples from the Ghanaian market. So there are examples that you have to bring and or that you have to bring on board and then share on your platform, and then we'll have discussions over the module 2 also has a cover design project which students will have to start thinking and designing something from the module 2. So each module spans within 2 weeks. So by the third week to the fourth week, students will be able to think about their cover design project, and then now their discussions go deeper into typography and color issues. When you come to module 5, module 5 also has its full details of the module here, which has instruction, which has the resources, which has the links to the YouTube. It has the links to the readings that they have to do. And this also has the assignments. The assignments. So now the assignment here becomes a little tougher. So there's a group project also in assigned teams of 3 to 4. Develop a complete marketing focused design strategy for a book. You have cover, interior plus promotional materials. Deliver a 15-minute presentation in week 10. So in week 10, they deliver a presentation online. They could also do screencast and then share. And their final portfolio is also here. To summarize, Part 201 Marketing Your Book Through Design is a comprehensive 10-week online course that teaches students to leverage design as a strategic marketing tool. I am proud of this course and I believe it will effectively prepare publishing students for professional practice. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. If you have any questions, I'm happy to discuss my design decisions further.